You already know what I'm about to say, so you might as well make your way down to the description box, because down in the description box you'll find different links to petitions, black-owned businesses, black organizations, black power websites, just things that you can check out to help support the Black Lives Matter movement, because we need all the help that we can get, because we've been fighting this war for over a century and we still have not gotten the justice and peace that we deserve. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, and now let's get into the travel vlog. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be a travel vlog, as you read by the title, but this year I'm going to combine the packing part and the traveling part in one, so that way I don't waste your time. So actually I'm deciding to leave most of the clothes, like the new clothes that I bought, behind, and most of my shoes actually, because I didn't wear half of them. Let's show you all the clothes I have to pack. Those are the rest of the pants and swimsuits, and then these are all the shirts and dresses and stuff. It's really not a lot. And then the stuff behind here, except for that green heating pad, that's staying here. These are all the shoes that I have to pack. Like, that's it. Shouldn't be too bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish packing and do a time lapse for y'all, and I'll see you guys later. I'll probably come back with you guys tomorrow when I'm getting my nails done, because do you see this? Do you see this? I'm not going to show it just alone because then I'd be flipping you guys off, but do you see this? How do you just break off from here down, but then from here up is still... What?
The next day.
So it's the next day, and I actually got done getting ready and everything, did my hair, got my cute little jewelry. I just got to put on my hoops, but I'll do that when we're about to leave. It's like 8 something. My appointment isn't until 11, and I wasn't supposed to be up till like 10 something, but I decided to get an early start. I'll see y'all when I'm at the nail salon. We about to go from busted to bussin'. Let's go. We're better prepared for Miss Rona. We got a mask. But this is the color I'm gonna go with. It's a cute little neon yellow type situation. Now I'm gonna put right here what I'm going for. We'll see what I get. So I'm back home. The nails are popping. Like, hello. 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 This is kind of a mix between the two pictures I showed. It's the shape of one but the color of the other, and I think it's real cute. Like, you see it adds a pop of color to any outfit, you know. Like, look what I got on, and look. All right, bye y'all.
The following day.
Today's the day. I'm gonna dip. So my flight leaves at 4:05. It's like 12 something now, so we about to go. Oh no, it's 1 something. We about to go, and we're about to go to the airport. Yeah, my suitcase already in the car. Carry-on bags packed. Let me show y'all the fit of the day, because I'm low-key looking kind of cute, kind of fire. So we have the hair, you know, the hair jewelry or whatever. Girl looking kind of cute. And then we have this regular little shirt. I don't know where I got it from. I think I got it from the thrift store. And then we have these jean shorts from my thrift store haul, but they're from Old Navy. I have this little tie around. It's really just an accessory. I don't know where I got it from. And then the shoes, Air Force Ones, and this watch. So you got the watch. Walmart's clear now. We have this cute little thing. My grandma gets these little jewelry shipments every month. I don't know. All right, bye.
Perfect.
Listen to the music. Think of.
Okay, I just made it through baggage claim, and now we gotta go through TSA. And literally no one is in line, so this should be really fast. It was really fast. So I made it through TSA, and now I am on my way to my gate 18, which is right there. So at this point, people were looking at me and I got like really uncomfortable. So I decided to turn the camera off. And I know that my mask isn't covering my nose, which defeats the whole purpose of the mask. But bear with me here because my face, it's not fit for a mask. Like if I wear a mask, it's gonna slide down. It's inevitable.
I am inevitable.
It's inevitable. So I'm at the gate. I just got off the phone with my mom and I realized I forgot to download all my movies for Netflix. So I'm doing that now. Hope they download in time because, you know, Netflix want to be taking forever. Like, what you gotta do? Take a bathroom? Tend to the kids? Give birth? Like, why Netflix gotta be taking so long just to download a few shows? I hope I have enough time. I have like 2 hours to get all my stuff downloaded. But I'm really debating on whether I should get food or not. I probably won't get food. I'm not gonna get food. It's fine. I got food. You talking about I be nasty at lunch. Be glad you don't have to see that. Oh, okay, coming in with the drink. Watch me low-key struggle to get this bottle open. It said, I see you. What is that, Mountain Dew? Yes, girl, it's the Mountain Dew. Yo, I got a window seat. I'm just praying that nobody comes and sit beside me. So right now I'm on a flight to go to Tennessee. I don't live in Tennessee. I got family down in Memphis, but I don't live in Tennessee. Not at all. So we going to Nashville, but then I gotta get off that flight, then hop on another flight, and that flight doesn't leave until 7 something, which means I won't get into Philly until 11. So it's gonna be a busy day.
Two hours later.
We're about to land at Nashville and I'm about to go to my next gate and I'll just be waiting there for a while, so bye. So right now I'm in Nashville. I'm really just waiting for the flight from here to Philly to get in. It's like, what time is it? Bro, I can't tell what time it is, but I know it's like 6 something. So I have about an hour and a half left to go because my flight doesn't board until 7:30 something. So I'm really just sitting here. I'm about to read the sequel to my favorite book. I'm gonna go before people start looking at me. Whoa. Yeah, I know this vlog is kind of all over the place, but I'm back home now. And that's all there is to it. Really nothing much happened. I got surprised with my dad, so, you know, it was a little touching moment. I wasn't filming anything, so it is what it is. It's 1:40. I'm actually about to go brush my teeth, change clothes, and then go to bed. And I'll take a shower in the morning. Y'all, my room looking so cute. Like, if you want a little room tour or whatever, then let me know. Let me know. I hope you guys continue to have a marvelous Monday. And don't forget to be blessed. Bye. Also, check the description down below because you already know what it is. Bye.